Welcome to day 5 of the 5-minute, 5-day Gua Sha challenge. We are putting it all together. Of course, we're gonna make sure we've got a clean face. Using Glow Elixir, you're gonna do 2 to 3 drops for your face, and you'll do 2 to 3 drops for your neck, your décolleté, and we're gonna start by taking some deep breaths in and out. Deep breathing helps our lymphatic system, our nervous system. We're going to take a big deep breath in through our nose. We're going to fill up our stomach. Imagine you're filling up a balloon. So you're going to take a big deep breath in, and then when we breathe out, you're going to bring that belly button to the spine. So you're going to deflate that balloon. So this works really well on our diaphragm and really well to help that lymphatic system and move that lymph through our system as well. Let's close our eyes, take a big deep breath in, expand that belly. And exhale, collapse. You can exhale through your mouth, you can exhale through your nose, whatever feels natural to you. Let's do one more big inhale and exhale. Drop those shoulders, relax those shoulders. We're gonna focus on from neck to forehead today. So we're gonna start with the neck and we're gonna go underneath the ear here. We're gonna take that perforated side and we're gonna take and release down. So we're going to go all the way across 1, and we're going to start again. 1, 2, 3. So we're just moving that lymph and light pressure, no heavy pressure is needed. So we're going to do that 3 times. We're going to go ahead and do the other side of the neck. We'll start behind the ear, release it down. 2 and 3. We'll do 2 more passes here. Make sure we're getting all of those sections. It should feel really nice and lovely. Now we're going to start. This is what I do every day too. We did this yesterday. If you've seen yesterday's, we're going to take that combed side and we're going to start underneath the chin. We're going to zigzag out. This really works on that double chin area. We're going to do about 3 times. You can do 3 to 5. Then we're going to go over to the side and do about 3 there. Then we're going to go all the way over and smooth it down. Okay, we're going to do it on the other side. 2, 3. Let's do 1 more and take it all the way down. All right, we're going to switch it over. We're going to go to that rounded side. We're going to take it center of the chin. You can use your index finger, your middle finger to help not pull the skin. So your supporting hand, you're going to take and wiggle. 2 and 3. You're going to go up to the center of the jawline. 1, 2, 3. And remember, you're sweeping all the way out to that hairline. So don't cut yourself short and stop in the middle. Go all the way out to the hairline. Take that combed side again, and we're just going to sweep up. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, and this is that tail end of that brow. We're just sweeping up towards that hairline. We're going to take that pointed side, and we're going to sweep in on the eye area. If you need some support, you can hold here. Bring it in. Sweep it in 3 times. Now we're going to take that pointed eye area, or that pointed stone. We're going to go back to the eye area. There's an acupressure point here. We're going to wiggle, and then we're going to sweep out all the way to that hairline. So a little wiggle. 2, 3. Go to that 11, those 11s, that third eye, that chakra, and we're going to wiggle up. So we're going to do 1, 2, and 3, right up the center of that forehead. We're going to take it all the way out as well. So we're going to go right underneath that brow, and we're just going to smooth this one up. Smooth up, up, and up. 2 more times. We're just smooth strokes all the way up the forehead to the hairline. Just opening up that whole eye area there. Now we're going to take that curved edge again, and we're going to go right above that brow, and we're going to press up and out, just softly, gently. So we're moving up and out. 2 and 3, all the way out. All right, we're going to go to the other side. We're going to take that curved edge. We're going to start at the chin, give it a little wiggle. And this is where our lymph nodes are. That's why we're giving it a little extra love 2, 3. Take it up to the center. We're going over 1, 2, 3. Make sure you're going all the way over to that hairline. Take that combed side. We're going to sweep outside that brow and up. So we're lifting that eye area. 2 and 3. We're going to take that pointed area and we're going to sweep in. So give it a little wiggle underneath that eye area 3 times. Switch it over, give it a little wiggle, and we're taking it all the way out to the hairline. This is going to help depuff, brighten that eye area up as well. We are going to slide up smooth on that center forehead. 1, 2, and 3 right in the center. We're going to move it over the inside corner of that brow, sweep up to the center, and then to the end. So let's do that again. 1, 2, and 3. One last time, all the way up. And you can do each of these passes 3 to 5 times. We're going to take that curved edge and we're going to bring it all the way up that brow. So we're just lifting up that brow and out. So lifting up and out. 3 times here. Okay, we're going to take that long combed side. We're going to go back to the center. So it's right in the center of those lips. And we're going to sweep it up. So all the way out. Keep that stone flat. Light to medium pressure. Then we're going to do 1, move it up a section. We're going to do 2, 3, and then we're going to come over to the other side. Sweep up 1, 2, 3, up here, 1, 2, and 3. We've swept up and out. So we're going to take that edge and we're going to start at the forehead. We're just going to bring it all the way down. So coming along that baseline, that hairline, around and down. So one more time. Actually, we'll do this 2 more times. So you're staying close to that hairline, those lymph nodes. You're coming behind the ear and you're releasing it down. Last time. Bring it all the way around and down, behind the ear, release. Other side. And you may be encouraged to swallow here. That's totally fine. It means it's working. But it doesn't necessarily not mean it's working if you don't need to swallow. So don't panic. And that, my friend, is your 5-minute, 5-day Gua Sha challenge. You can go back and watch these videos as many times as you need to perfect these practices so that you can be sculpted and lifted and get all that tightness and tension out. And remember to breathe. That's probably one of the most important things you can take away here, because you can use that literally anywhere, any time of day. Also, don't forget you can purchase this on my website. I've got a 1 ounce and a 1.7 ounce. The 1.7 ounce gets you free shipping. It comes with a beautiful ocean agate Gua Sha stone that's tried and tested. I absolutely fell in love with it, which is why I wanted it to be a part of Skin Soul Rituals. I wanted to provide something that makes it easy to learn Gua Sha, because Gua Sha is not hard, but when you first start, it can be overwhelming. So hopefully I have done that for you this week. Please let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this tutorial, if you want to see more weekly challenges like this. I would love to know.